Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video I am going to show you exactly how you can reset your Google Chrome web browser to its default settings or factory settings. For example, if you'd like to fix performance issues or in general improve your browser's performance, and setting your browser to its factory settings may help you in achieving that. So what you want to do, guys, is launch the Chrome web browser on your laptop or on your desktop computer, access your browser settings by clicking on these dots here, 3 dots in the top right, and selecting settings. And here in your settings, take a look at that panel on the left hand side and head over to reset settings and simply click on this option or feature here, restore settings to their original defaults, and accept or confirm that by clicking on that button here, reset settings. Before you do that, guys, though, make sure that you read through that disclaimer here. Bear in mind that resetting your settings to factory settings will have consequences, including, for example, your extensions will be automatically disabled, and you will also delete all cookies and other temporary site data. However, bookmarks, history, and your saved password won't be affected by this. So make sure you're 100% sure to do this before you click on this button. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.